Good chilly Florida morning. It's like 60 degrees and we're in the shade and we're in Gainesville, Florida, and we are walking to a sinkhole. We are at Devil's Millhopper Geological State Park, and I brought Woo and Finn, and we're going to be walking. So there's a nature trail and a sinkhole, and we're going to go check it out. Oh, I feel like I'm in the mountains. Look at that, Finn.
Yeah, it looks like we're on the mountains right now.
There's some kids behind us, so you'll hear some kids in the video. Not mine, I only brought one. The other two are at school. So we've seen two other dogs at the entrance, but they were leaving, so they must have got here early. It took us an hour and 25 minutes to get here. So it's a perfect day for hiking, you guys. I don't like to be hot. I'm kind of cold. I was like, oh, I should have brought a jacket, but no. Didn't. Finn's freezing, his jaw is chattering. So Woo's probably perfectly fine. Morning.
Good morning.
So we got some viewing area over here. Oh, and the steps go down. Come on, Finn.
I think you go on that bridge. I think you go over that bridge.
We go down the stairs. At first she was like, what is this, Mama? Go downstairs, baby. Maybe because they're all the same color, kind of look like, what's going on? Keep going. I think there's a million stairs. We're still going downstairs. I paused it for like 2 flights of stairs. All right. We made it. Oh gosh. So we're still pretty high up, even after we're at the end of the stairs. Cool. Then we gotta go back up all the stairs.